Alright, so guys, this is the thing that I was waiting for since 2 months. So my fish package has arrived today, and as you can see, both of them are pretty big, huge. So first I've got a tiger, wait, peacock bass, juve. He's a male, pretty aggressive, I know, and pretty scared. Next thing that I've got are two giant fire Oscars. So here you can see them. I know that it's not pretty good to see them because they are double bagged and it's pretty foggy inside it. So now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna keep those with my tiger Oscar. Let's see if they can mate or if they can breed. And this guy here, I'm just gonna keep him alone, right? Or let's do one thing, let's put him in a community tank, right? So I will update you in a bit. Alright, so guys, now all the three bad boys are pretty set up to my water temperature. You can see that that's the bad boy, and she's also pretty bad. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put them in this. Let's see what they do. Till then, we'll pause the video. Right, so as here you can see, I haven't tied what you call it, the rubber bands. Now I'm just gonna put them inside. Let's see what she does. I'm not gonna acclimate the water because I know the shopkeeper from whom I'd ordered it keeps the water pretty tight and good. Or else, let's just do it. We shouldn't take risks, shall we? No? Alright, so now I will just scoop it down. Oh, sorry. I'll just scoop it out and let's see what it does. Right? Alright, so now I'm gonna transfer him. See? Caught him. Alright, so there you can see him. He's doing pretty well. He's just singing my flower horn. And that's their basic conversation at the guess. Right. So on to bag number 2. Go! Alright, so here we are. And we're gonna put these bad boys in here. Okay? So let me just pull this out. That'll do it. Alright, so there they are. I just opened the bag. See them? They're pretty good size lake monsters. He's doing some weird things. No? That's his basic behavior. He was like that. These look pretty great. Let's see what happens. Alright, so the job is done. Let's see how they hang out together. Guys, comment below that should I mix my flower on with my other fishes, right? Till then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy more content from this channel. Till then, stay